So I found myself on a national campaign and actually got to shoot way up the coast to shoot it. It's a bit of a run and gun sort of job, so it's like a national campaign shot mostly outside, so it's mostly, So it's mostly going to be shot ambient light, so it's a farm scene, so there's going to be a lot of drone work, and I'm going to need to have more light cutting devices more than light filling, so things that can, like scrims and whatnot, stuff that can cut light down. So reflectors, scrims, those sorts of things. I'm going to take a few lights and whatnot, but I doubt I'll need too many of them purely because it's all going to be shot ambient, or mostly ambient. There's a few scenes we've got to set up, but a couple of lights will handle those. A couple of sets of tripods. There's a light modifier. Alright, that should be about it. I got multiple stands, lights, tripods. I need to get my gimbal and cameras. They're all in my office, so I'll go grab them and we're away. It's always nice when you end up on a national campaign. You get to see your work floating around the country. So, let's hit the road. Oh, it always concerns me on like jobs where I've got to be somewhere far away from where all my gear lives that I've left something behind. So it's always hard to get away. I always like have to go through everything a couple of times, but I think I've got it all. So let's hope. Anyway, we'll soon find out. Just gotta stop, get some petrol, and we're on our way. Alright, we have made it to site. Got my key, battery's low. Oh, we have made it to site, and so now it's got to get all set up, rigged up. Oh, that was a dusty road. Oh. So yeah, get all my gear out, and today's a bit of a recce. So today we're just gonna look around, scope the location, check out what we want to shoot for tomorrow. So I think today will work for a bit of behind the scenes, but tomorrow might be a little harder to take you along, but we'll see how we go. Hey, look at that. So here I am, I'm on site now. We're just doing our recce today. Look at all these bad boys, beautiful avocados just everywhere. Yeah, just doing a recce, and I'll show you what we do. Well, welcome to the start of day 2. So I've got to just get the bird in the sky because its first shot is we're going to do like a sunrise shot. So get that going, yeah.
Do you like the Australian? If any day calls for an Australian avocado, it's today.
We've wrapped on the interview parts, so I just got a little bit of data dump, just running low on space, and then we're just got to go shoot a little bit of lifestyle, and then that's pretty much it for today. There's actually not too much. We did I shot a bit of stuff on the recce, which is going to help. It's been hard to take you along just because there's not a huge crew on this one, so it's just a couple of people, and so we actually all have things we've got to be doing all the time. So this is just the moment I've got to dump this because, yeah, this is the moment I got. Anyway. I'm just doing like a kitchen scene, so I'm just putting some light in through the window. The old classic light in the window trick. Hey? So Clark's my little helper. Alright, that is a wrap on the avocado farm. Got to get out of here, get back and get some stuff done. Obviously, got to take some samples with me. You know, nothing like a free sample. Well, I'm back. So a bit of a slow start today because I didn't get back till late last night. And so I'm going to head out now. I need to drop some stuff off to a mate of mine's, and I actually need to unpack this car still. Oh, I forgot, I didn't get it all out. A mate of mine has a new office, and I just have had this one floating around actually in my house. It doesn't have any glass on it, it's actually just a print that I've like tacked down. The concept is you can actually cut it out and press it still. So I've just made it like this, just so it, you know, stands up by itself. But yeah, so we're gonna go hang this on his wall. Oh, and then I might go shoot some, you know, fun stuff. So anyway, let's go do that. Still a bit fresh. Didn't want to get up early this morning because, wow, it was really cold, and I didn't get home till late because I was out west. So anyway, so I'm back today. I'm just here at Avocado, and it's an absolutely cracking day. So I'll get the bird up and we'll fly it around a little bit and have a bit of fun. So let's go do that. There's a pretty decent bank just right out the middle here.
Yesterday I was clever, wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I'm changing myself.
Let's go edit this stuff. So interestingly enough, I actually got an email yesterday about my camera that turned into a brick. So Canon have since repaired it, and supposedly it's on its way back to me as we speak. So if I'm lucky, when I get back to my office, it'll be sitting there, but we'll find out, eh? But anyway, I'll just be stoked, honestly, to have it back, even if it's not replaced, just repaired. It doesn't matter to me. I just want a working camera. So it's just been a bit inconvenient because I'm currently shooting talking head stuff on this and also shooting photos on this. So it's like I can't do two at once, because the other camera I have is the R5C, and I don't really like using that out in the wild, like especially, you know, on the beach or whatever. So, you know, with the fan and all that. So I'd rather use the R6 as my run and gun sort of handheld that I don't really care too much about, even though I love that camera. It's just the quality of it and the functionality of it put it in the sweet spot. So, you know. Alright, there you go, look at that. Me camera turned up. Let's open it up and see how we went. It's in there. There she is. Alright, so I've got a card in it. Now I'm just going to let it run for a bit because that was the error. What the error was when it was recording, an error 70 would come up. So anyway, she's back. All the settings have been reset, so I'm going to have to go through and set it back up as like a new camera. Even though it's my same camera. Stoked to have it back. Morning to Woon Bay. What an absolutely stellar day. It's absolutely stunning. Not a cloud in the sky. Can't even see one. Just a quick fly here at Woon Bay, and then actually got to get on my way to the kids athletics carnival. So athletics carnival today. Fun news. So currently this is my R6 Mark II. It is back. I ran through all the settings yesterday and got them dialed. So I should be back to how I like it. Maybe a few different nuances, but anyway, let's get the drone up, fly it around, get some shots. I had to cut that little session short because my kids have an athletics carnival today, and my eldest sent me a message right as I was flying saying, "Hey Dad, I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm running in like 10 minutes." I'm like, oh. So anyway, I tools down and went over and watched them race. I watched a few of them race, but anyway. But the weather's just so nice. Like the water clarity is just incredible, and so I just can't help myself but get the drone flying and really just lock in some top downs. And so I've come to my most favorite location to fly from. It's a secret spot, so don't go tell everyone where it is. It's not really secret, but some people don't know where it is. I'm just so stoked that the water clarity is good, and like it's a bit windy, but it's an offshore wind, so it's not affecting the ocean. Far out it is, but not in. I mean, look at this. I don't know how well you can see that. Anyway, let's get flying.
Yesterday I was clever, wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I'm changing myself. Let go of who you are, become who you might be. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way. It's your road to walk, and yours alone. You'll be a lion, you'll be the deer,
Success!
be
Came
like
back.
a tree. Let the dead leaves fall. Let your life become living poetry. You were born.
Oh, just like that, water clarity is gone. I mean, probably not gone, but there's just too much swell right now for it to be clean and clear. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I've actually got to head down to a pearl farm. I've got to go shoot some pearls today, so let's go do that. So here we are at the Broken Bay Pearl Farm. We're here at a Broken Bay Pearl Farm, and I'm just creating a bit of promotional assets for an event they got coming up. So we're going to shoot a little bit on the water, and it's going to be our workstation. We're doing like a bit of a cooking scene. So get that all geared up and bring you along for the ride.
You were born with wings, your heart knows
that is a wrap at the pearl farm. We shot a bunch of different assets, and so now I've got to go and actually make all those. This whole content was for an event that the pearl farm have coming up, and so we're just creating that asset. So it's wrap up time. Alright, that is it for the oyster farm. It's pack up time, so might go check the surf, see if it's cleaned up. Well, there's waves, but it's not very good, so probably just go edit. Okay, Friday, last day of the week, last job of the week. We're gonna go shoot some meat. So, meat, I know. Let's go do it. I was about to get going, and then I realized I actually need a couple of things. One, I need my flash. Two, I actually need this black paper roll, this one. So I need to go get that down. Did the old last minute check, what do I need for this job? And realized that I had nothing. Just go in the middle of the paper roll so that when they sit up on the rack for a long time, they don't bow. So I like to leave like certain colours up in the roof here, and so I have to have this aluminium tube down the middle of the paper, otherwise the paper starts to bow, and then when you roll it down it gets like creases in it. Got to get this one down, got him down, go throw him in the car, and then we get going. So there we go, we're almost there. Okay, now we're ready to go. Oh, got my roll of paper in. Got another little one too, just in case. I don't know where my head's at. I've like completely forgotten my laptop, so I got that on my way over. I think I'm just excited because today I'm actually going down to the wave pool. So I think I just got wave pool on my mind, like what board I'm going to ride, or what where my wetsuit is, and then anyway. So lesson. Write a list, think of things you need to bring with you, because I just forgot one key item, and I'm lucky because this job's not too far away, but if there was a job, a distance, so annoying. Anyway, I could have done it without it, just not as easy. And there it is, that is job done. Off to the wave pool. Just got to pack up all this stuff. That's probably going to be it for my week. Anyway, that is it. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.